Listen closely. This could be the moment that changes everything. Most people will click away, distracted, but you're still here. That means you're searching for something more. You feel that nudge inside, the whisper that says there's more to life than this. And you're right. So many people stop just before their breakthrough, not because they aren't good enough, but because they don't fully commit. They let doubt and fear win. This is your chance to make a different choice. Right now, you can decide your story will have a different ending. This isn't just motivation, it's a wake-up call. The life you want won't fall into your lap. You have to go get it. It all starts with one decision, to stop waiting and start doing it. You're at a crossroads. One path leads to the same old routine, the other to everything you want. It's scary, but it's where your real life begins. Take a deep breath. That's the feeling of potential. You are on the verge of becoming unstoppable, right now. The person you want to be is waiting for you to catch up. Forget yesterday's mistakes. Today is a new day. Today, you can become the person who doesn't quit. You can become the person who finally goes all in. The world is full of people who almost made it. Don't be one of them. Decide to be the exception. Decide to be the one who keeps going. This is your moment. Don't let it slip away. The only thing standing between you and your dream is the decision to start. You don't need permission. You don't need to wait. You just need to begin. Right now. This is the moment before everything changes. What will you do with it? Let's be honest, it hurts to be stuck. You feel it every morning, every commute, every time you go through the motions. There's a part of you screaming for more. This isn't just a bad mood, it's your soul telling you something is wrong. The pain of unfulfilled potential is heavy. Staying the same is a choice, even if it doesn't feel like it. Every day you don't move toward your dream, you choose the familiar pain over the unknown. The routine is a cage you've gotten used to, but that inner call for more is your spirit trying to break free. Don't ignore it, don't numb it. That ache is a gift, a signal you're off course. Let your frustration fuel you. You don't have to live this way. Decide you're done with quiet desperation. Step onto the field and play. Someday is the most dangerous word in English language. We tell ourselves, someday I'll start, but someday is a fantasy. That perfect moment will never come. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Everything you want is just outside your comfort zone. Growth and comfort can't coexist. Waiting for the right time is a trap. Life will always be busy. The stars will never perfectly align. You have to declare that the right time is now. You create momentum by taking that first imperfect step. You don't need more information or permission. You need to decide your life is happening now, not someday. Interrupt the pattern of waiting. The cost of inaction is greater than the cost of mistakes. Mistakes teach you. Inaction steals your dreams. Start now. What separates dreamers from doers? Fast decisions and relentless daily effort. Successful people act on their instincts. They don't overthink. They use action to figure things out, not endless analysis. Excuses are for the average. If you want an extraordinary life, adopt an extraordinary mindset. Stop negotiating with yourself. You'll never feel like doing the hard thing. Commit to a schedule, not a mood. Your daily actions define you, not your big goals. Small choices compound over time. 1% better every day changes your life. Success isn't a giant leap, it's 1,000 small steps. Motivation is created by action. Decide once that you're a person who follows through, then execute every day. Don't overcomplicate it. Break your goal into the smallest step. Do that one thing today, now. Let's get real. Chasing a dream isn't glamorous. It's tough, gritty, and comes with a price. Your comfort. It means early mornings, late nights, and sacrifice. Not everyone will understand your ambition. Some will try to pull you back to the familiar. Be willing to walk alone if you have to. It will cost you sleep, free time, and certainty. You'll trade predictability for the roller coaster of building something new. There will be doubts, setbacks, and moments you want to quit. But in return, you get to feel alive and purposeful. You gain freedom and you will be. Every setback is a test. How badly do you want it? Challenges are filtered to the truly committed. When you face obstacles, you see them as tests and you resolve. Believe in yourself and won't quit. That's the real prize and the real reward. You will fail, you will fall flat. That's the end. Failure isn't the end. It's part of the journey. Every person you admire has failed more times than you tried. The difference? They didn't let failure define them. They saw it as a lesson, not a burden. Your only dies when you refuse to get back up. Fail to achieve that, not a finish line. Rise again. Stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting for the perfect conditions. You put your life on hold too long, telling yourself to start fresh. That when you crash, enough. You are as ready as you'll ever be tested. Confidence feels like starting, not waiting. Courage is action despite fear. Everyone who's done something great is scared too. The difference is they acted anyway. Ready to make a decision. Keep yourself ready with flaws and all. You have everything you need to take the first step. You're not starting from scratch, you're starting from experience. Yesterday doesn't define you. Draw a line in the sand. Become someone who takes action. The life you want is on the other side of your excuse. Stop talking. Start showing yourself what you're capable of. Your time is not coming. It's here. The world is waiting for you to show up. Don't let another day slip by. This is your time. You've made it this far. That already sets you apart. You've chosen to listen, to face hard truths, to demand more from life. Welcome to the community of DreamChasers. This isn't a club for excuses, it's a team for action. We're the ones who get up early, work on our goals, and see failure as a stepping stone. We turn fear into fuel. The only thing between you and your dream is the story you tell yourself. Today, you start a new story, one of courage and momentum. You are ready. You have what it takes. We hold each other accountable and celebrate each other's wins. When one of us falls, we help each other back up. No more playing small. No more waiting for permission. From now on, you're a creator of your own destiny. The next step is simple. Take one action right now. Send that email, write that paragraph, make that call, go for that run. Commit to your dream with action. This is your invitation. This is your moment. Welcome to the fight. Now go win. Now go.